Good morning guys! Tara, samahan nyo kami explore ang top spots in Abu Dhabi today. So we got our day tour package at Klook for 188 dirhams each. I will just put in the description box below yung link as well as the package inclusions. Our pickup time sa bahay is 8 o'clock and really on time talaga sila dito. A total of 9 persons kami sa isang van kaya almost 1 hour din bago na pick up ang lahat.
Please come back to the car. Now the time is 9:36. Please come back to the car. 9:50. 9:50. Please come back to the car. Restrooms are inside. We can see that one car is on the top. That is the entrance of the restrooms and areas. Please use the restrooms and come back to the car.
Before we head out to Abu Dhabi, nag-stop over muna kami sa the last exit for a quick restroom break. If you are familiar with the Mad Max movie, ito yung location nun. Guys, look at the toilet. Grabe, sobrang team na team. As in, nung unang nalito ko kung nasan yung lock ng door.
It is visible from far away. Why? Because it's built in 9 meters higher than the ground level, and this is the official mosque of this country, the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque.
Inside the Sheikh Zayed Mosque, we skipped the long lines of visitors since naka-tour kami. But before we entered, we had a briefing on the do's and don'ts and prohibited items. After that, we entered the security checkpoint where they check our outfit kung talaga bang tama dun sa guidelines nila. So, syempre, below yung mall, merong mall sa baba before you enter the main mosque where we had our briefing. Meron din mga restaurants, meron din mga tindahan ng mga clothing if hindi kayo prepared. Kasi ako, nung the day before, bumili na kami dito sa amin malapit ng isasuot namin. Hindi naman necessary kailangan kayo naka-traditional, but especially sa mga male kasi pwede naman sila as you can see, naka-jacket, naka-long pants, naka-shoes. Sa ladies naman, it doesn't necessarily mean kailangan naka-traditional ka just as long as nakabalot yung hair mo. I mean, nakatago siya. Like, you can wear your normal scarf and then yung sa baba, kung ayaw nyo mag-abaya, pwede naman kayo mag-wear ng long sleeve dress or blouse and then pants. Basta bawal lang yung shorts. Also, for the prohibited items, yun. So, nasampulan ako dito kasi nakuha yung mini mic ko. So, sinabi ko naman dun sa security na I will not use it kasi bawal nga mag-vlog or pwedeng mag-video pero bawal yung normal na nag-vlog, nagto-talk. And I said na hindi ko siya gagamitin pero kinuha nila. Although, nakuha ko naman din siya agad after nung tour. Ayan, so other things na hindi pwede is yung pag nagpipicture, bawal yung hand signs, like yung peace sign, love sign, like that. And then, bawal din syempre maingay, like yung unruly behavior, ganyan. Kasi this is an actual mosque. Also, if you have anything na rainbow colored, bawal din siya. So, for example, your phone casing is rainbow. You have a bag na color rainbow, so they will confiscate it. These water pools are more than design. So, ang purpose daw niyan is to absorb heat, especially during the summer. Amazing, di ba?
Bab al-Qasr. It's an Arabic word. Bab means door, Al-Qasr means palace, door of the palace. Why? Because it is facing the beautiful Emirates Palace Hotel under the Qasr Hotel. That's why the name is Bab al-Qasr. After the Bab al-Qasr, another 5-star hotel, Grand Kings. 4 towers on mixed use building. One is a 5-star hotel, Conrad Abu Dhabi, and Etihad is an Arabic word. It means unity. Our left side, the beautiful Emirates Palace Hotel. In this Etihad Towers, in the tower number 274th floor, there is one observation deck. Once we are going.
Next up is Heritage Village. It's still under renovation nung pumunta kami kaya wala masyadong ganap. But look at that beautiful beach. Grabe, sobrang ganda, sobrang linis. I've never seen like this sa Dubai. I'm not really sure kasi nung pumunta kami sa Jumeirah Beach, hindi na masyadong maliwanag. So I didn't know kung ganyan talaga siya kaganda din, like sa Abu Dhabi. Pero na-miss ko talaga agad yung Boracay and Palawan upon seeing this place. Final stop is Louvre, which is my highly anticipated part since pangarap ko talaga makapunta sa Louvre, Paris. In here, I will just show you some of my favorite areas of the museum. Enjoy!